Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. Trying to do this trending makeup look and we'll see how it goes. First I'm gonna put some serums on my face just to make it all go on easier. This will help my makeup go on a lot smoother, and this in particular is for your pores, so that your pores appear a lot smaller and not as big. This is a firming booster, and then now I'm gonna put a serum on just so that underneath it has this nice glow. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I'm using my Anastasia Brow Freeze. Normally I would put my concealer underneath my eyes, but since I'm doing the full color, I'm not gonna do that. Now that I've gotten that, I'm gonna put, so I think it's like, where is it? I feel like it's not supposed to go that, I need a new piece of tape. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna do this all with P. Louise paint. I think I'm gonna start with purple, purple, red, then pink. I think I'm gonna go with this brush. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna get a smaller brush to get to the underneath. Now I'm gonna get the red paint. And now I'm gonna go for the pink. I'm gonna go for this P. Louise base pink. For the pink, I did not need as much as I did the red or the purple. And just so you could see the consistency of the purple. See, it's a little bit more, it's a little bit more water-based than I think the red was. Oh, crap, I forgot I do not have any translucent powder. And this tape is already coming up. So since I don't have any translucent powder, I think I'm gonna go over it with eyeshadow. So more of the color match. All right, so now let's take this off. Okay. How did I sweat underneath it? It's not bad, not bad, not bad so far. Okay, this is good. I think it worked out pretty well. I'm gonna get a makeup wipe and try to clean off the excess. And just kind of highlight where I normally would. Oh, that's way too much. I feel like my concealer might be a little too yellow, so I'm just gonna also add a dab of my P. Louise base. That's a little bit more my shade. Where's my background singers? I think I'm gonna actually try to contour. So right now I'm using the I Rust You palette by Violet Voss, and I'm using the color Trust in Rust to contour my nose. Contour the bridge of my nose. Just add some dimension where I would normally add some. A little context if you care to listen. I found myself in a shit position. The man that I love sat me down last night and he told me that it's over. Dumb decision. Dumb decision. Dumb decision. I don't even know where his heart is missing. Okay, so this is gonna be the hard part. Okay, so just a little bit over the top where it would normally be. Whoa, whoa. I think I'm gonna use a brush for this because it's not safe. Now I'm gonna go in with my Milk Matte Bronzer and contour my cheeks. I'm gonna use a brush. So I always underpaint. I don't know if that's common practice, but this is what I do. Give myself a jaw. So I'm actually just gonna go in with my foundation, put that on my fucking face, and then go in and do the jewels as the last touch, because I wish I could with all my heart, but she ain't no perfect. So I'm using Fenty. I'm using my Fenty, I think it's 430, 450. A whole new mutant to beat it in the face. Now, let's put some sparkles in. These are what I'm going to be using. So let's start. in the hood tonight. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this because this is gonna take me forever. I'll be back. Okay, so now that I've done the gems, I'm gonna do some eyeshadow and then some lashes. I think I'm gonna work with my Abstraction palette and my I Rust You palette. I think I'm gonna just use the I Rust You to add dimension to my eyes. And this is the Rust in the I Rust You palette. Just trying to give it some dimension here. And then I'm gonna go in with this violet color on my lid on the purple side, and then this pink on the pink side. Dab with this pink and line this up so it's like sharp. And then line this up. Miss your bestie, Miss Westie. Now I'm gonna go in and darken my eyebrows because where are they? I'm gonna use my High Def Brow Gel in dark brown. See if that does the trick. If that doesn't, I'll use my Anastasia. But I just wanna go lighter first and then I'll go darker. Here. I think that's how dark I wanna go. And now I'm gonna add my Rare Beauty Faith Blush. I should have done this before I put the jewels on, but c'est la vie. And I'm just gonna contour the bottom of my nose. I'm gonna add the Anastasia eyebrow color in Ebony, just to maybe darken my eyebrows a little bit more. Let's use my oh no! Okay. Now this is exactly what I was scared of. So let's try to brush this bitch out. Okay, and then to highlight it, I'm gonna go in with the same colors I put on my eyelids underneath my eyebrows. Okay. All right, so this is the look. Let's see if we can make this look better with eyelashes. I'll get back to you because this is gonna be hard. I'm gonna add some Makeup by Mario Master Crystal Reflector. friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this makeup tutorial. I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 15. We're still going strong. I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell button up above so that you get notified every time I put out a Vlogmas day video. So I'll see you guys later.